today's video would be different from the rest of the video that I have uploaded, and it's gonna be about bullet journal. Okay, so what is a bullet journal? A bullet journal is a productivity system created by Ryder Carroll. The system is based on a rapid logging with symbol keys to help you organize important events, notes, and tasks. Okay? The bullet journal keys allow you to classify your tasks without spending too much writing. This makes for a quicker analog system and ensures that you get more stuff done. Okay? A bullet journal is a personalized and flexible planner and journal system where you have a convenience of editing it in a way to suit your life and personality. You can be creative or minimal with your setups as you like. The beauty of this system is that you get to organize important events, appointments, and schedules. Monitor certain habits and activities to increase productivity in a way that it is most functional to you. Apart from scheduling tasks, you can also use it to monitor habits and activities to increase your productivity, health, or anything that you might be interested in. With this system, your monthly, weekly, daily spreads and other bullet journal collection can be as creative or minimalist as you like. No more preset planners that you don't make any sense to your schedule. By the way, guys, just want to let you know that the reason why I am including more bullet journal in my YouTube channel is because I want to share with you my love for arts and crafts. And oh, for you who is new to my channel, and if it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I hope you would stay with me until the end of this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can see you again in my next videos. Just to tell you a quick story, actually when I first had a child, I actually turned out her photo album into a scrapbook using literally the photo album itself, where I put stickers and captions in every photo. And then I learned about the scrapbook supplies, so I migrated into a scrapbook. Now I discovered about bullet journal, so I decided to start up with it. With the previous years, I also make sure that I have a planner with me before each year starts. Since 2020 is about to come in a few months, I will switch into a bullet journal. Okay? But the good thing about bullet journal is that you can start it at any time, whichever you feel doing so. So I think I don't have to wait for 2020 because I'm really too excited to start it now. As in now. You can also do whatever you want in your journal. You're actually in control of it. Okay? But first thing first. Okay? What do you need to start bullet journaling? Okay? So what are the supplies to get started? Okay, so the bullet journal method is one of the most affordable planning system around. You just need two things, okay? A notebook and a pen, okay? In my other videos, I do unboxing with my Lazada purchase for the notebook and the colored brush pen. But prior to that, I actually bought one here in Male. I'm actually in the Maldives, and I really had a difficult time getting a bullet journal notebook. Okay, all the bookshop here, I just found one in one of the bookshop. So it's a hardbound notebook, and it actually has a lot of pages. I think 200 pages, since it's a blank notebook, because I'm actually looking for a dotted notebook, but I just found a blank notebook. So I have to use this. I have to print this and use this one. Okay. Since my Lazada purchase just came, my eagerness to start with a bullet journal, I really find a bookshop where I can buy this kind of notebook. I actually started in November, to tell you honestly, but I like this one. Guys, yeah, since I'm too eager to start with my bullet journal, I use this blank notebook. And then when my Lazada purchase came, I decided if I'm going to migrate to my new notebook. I'm about to start my bullet journal for December in this notebook. However, again, my online purchase just came in. Sorry to say, guys, but I actually don't know that this will arrive soon, since it's an international purchase. notebook do you want to use. It could be an A5 size like the one I've showed. It could be a B6, so which is a smaller type. If it's a traveler journal notebook, if it's a traveler bullet journal, then I think B6 size notebook would be best for you, as it would be handy. With your bullet journal, you can be as creative as you want, or you can be minimalist. So guys, in my next videos, I am going to share with you a guide to start with your bullet journal. Okay? So thanks for watching and hope to see you again on my